Hi, Richard. How are you today? Olivia asked with a smile. Hello, Olivia. I am great, thanks. And you? Richard replied. I am good. Tell me, what is your daily routine? Olivia was curious. Richard thought for a moment. Well, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. That is early. Do you drink coffee? Olivia asked, surprised. Yes. I drink coffee and I eat breakfast, Richard explained. What do you do after breakfast? Olivia continued her questions. I go to work by bus. I work in an office, Richard said. When do you come home? Olivia wanted to know more. I come home at 6 o'clock. I cook dinner, Richard answered. Nice. Do you watch television in the evening? Olivia inquired. Yes, I watch a movie, and then I sleep at 11 o'clock, Richard said. Your routine is very simple and nice, Olivia exclaimed, happy with his answer. Oscar and Lucy greeted each other. Oscar wanted to know about Lucy's day and her daily routine. Lucy shared that she has a simple routine. Oscar was excited to hear about it. Lucy usually wakes up at 7 o'clock a.m., but she doesn't get up right away. She stays in bed for 10 minutes. At 7:10 a.m., Lucy gets up. The first thing she does are wash her face and brush her teeth. Then, Lucy goes to the kitchen. She always drinks a big cup of hot coffee because she loves it. Oscar doesn't drink coffee. He prefers tea. Lucy eats 2 eggs and some toast for breakfast, saying it's very important. Oscar agrees about breakfast and eats cheese and olives. Lucy leaves her house at 8 o'clock a.m. to go to work. Hi, Lucy. How are you today? Hi, Oscar. I am great. Thank you. And you? I am good. Thanks. I want to ask about your day. What is your daily routine? Sure. I have a simple routine. Great. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. Do you get up immediately? Number. I stay in bed for 10 minutes. Then, I get up at 7:10 a.m. What is the first thing you do? First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I go to the kitchen. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, always. I love coffee. I drink a big cup of hot coffee. What about you? Do you drink coffee? No, I don't like coffee. I usually drink tea. Do you eat breakfast? Yes. I eat 2 eggs and some toast. Breakfast is very important. I agree. I eat cheese and olives. What time do you leave the house? I leave the house at 8 o'clock a.m. I go to work.